to today's video. Today's video is going to be another teeth whitening video. So before we get into the video, my name is Jane. I like to do sort of videos on lifestyle, hauls, fashion, and that sort of thing. So go check out my other videos below. So if this is the type of video that you like, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would really help my channel. Right, so the video is basically going to be on another teeth whitening product. So I actually got this for Christmas, so it's totally unsponsored, but it is this Dr. Dent. Now obviously I love teeth whitening products. I love anything to do with anti-aging and stuff like that, and teeth whitening is one of them. So Sam did buy me this for Christmas. I'll leave it linked below if you're interested. It was from Amazon, and I think the price was a sort of £29.99, maybe 30 quid. So this is the Dr. Dent LED light teeth whitening kit. So we're going to give this a go today, which is really good. I'm going to do one session. I might do a follow-up session in a few weeks after, and I'll explain how many I have used up until then, but I believe you can see results after one session. Just before we get into the video, I'm going to give you a little idea of what you get inside. So this is the actual box itself. You do get 8 vials of solution of the gel to put on your, which is really good, and you can buy these separately as well. You do get the little light thing and you do get the gum shield as well, but you do, as I say, you do get 8 sort of uses in total. Now inside you get this little card, and this is basically a little teeth chart, which we'll have a look at later. You can also get, I'm going to cover the QR code up, but they give you a leaflet inside to get some free gel. So if you wanted to get some more, I think they're offering some free ones, which is really good. And then obviously the instruction guide, and it is dead simple as well. They've kept it really simple. So there's a little bit of an explanation about what the solution is and how that works. And then obviously this is the instructions, which is dead easy. You basically just activate, you open the back cover and remove the tab to obviously activate the battery. Assemble the device by attaching the mouthpiece. Brush your teeth. I just brush my teeth anyway. And then you obviously open the gel and apply to the top and half to the bottom. And then you power on the LED device and then whiten for 20 minutes. And it's really good because apparently it beeps every 10 minutes. So that you know that you've done 10, and then when it beeps the second time, you know that it's 20. So, and then obviously finishing up, you obviously get rid of the gel out of your mouth, and then obviously clean the gum shield afterwards. And then it does show you how to replace the batteries as well. So dead straightforward. So looking at the little card, it is double-sided as well, which is quite good. I'm going to sort of see which sort of colour my teeth are. I've literally gone for just a no colour lipstick, so that I don't want that to sometimes that can make your teeth look whiter depending on the colour of your lipstick. This is just like a clear, like gloss colour. So yeah, that can kind of make them look whiter than they are. Sometimes if you go for a dark lip, it makes your teeth look whiter. So I've just gone for natural, just a gloss. Let's have a look. I'm going to be looking through the viewfinder, so let's have a look where my teeth are at. So I might have to use a little bit of a mirror here. So I feel like, would you agree and say that they're not terrible, but I feel like they kind of go a little bit yellower towards the top of my tooth. Up here, it kind of looks really white in the viewfinder. They are not, believe me. And at the bottom, they kind of go a little bit yellower towards the bottom of the tooth. I would say maybe I'm a 4 or 5. I don't want to sort of blow out the light there a little bit. Is that better? Shall I just bring you in? Kind of making the card look really white. Focus on the card. They kind of look white in the viewfinder. They are not. They are yellow. I don't know whether you can see that they're kind of yellowy colour, but I would say I'm about a 4 or 5. So anyway, so yeah, 4 or 5 we'll say, and I'm gonna give you a big cheesy grin so that we can have something to compare to. So I'm gonna smile. And then later on we can do like a side-by-side thing. To me, they look really white already in the viewfinder. So we're going to assemble pull this. Now basically I had a little go at this last night. It wasn't the easiest to get on there. I think maybe it's just practice, but you have to kind of fit that end bit into the little plastic sort of gel part. So right, so the mouthpiece is on, and then I'm gonna obviously take out the battery. So I believe you just twist this and pull out the little tab and twist it back. So that's ready to go now. So we just need to put the gel in the mouthpieces. So the pods kind of look like this, little capsule things with got Dr. Dent on there. So there you go, that is the pod. As soon as I opened the box, it smelled really minty. It's difficult to work out what half it is. So right, so we are good to go. So there's my gel on the top and then the gel on the bottom. And we're going to pop it in my mouth. And then we're going to press the button and we're going to wait 20 minutes. So I'm going to watch a bit of Netflix in between. As soon as I put this in, I won't be able to speak to you. So yeah, I will see you in 20 minutes. You'll see me pop this in and then I'll come back in 20 minutes. Right guys, so my 20 minutes is up and I'm going to give you a little look at my teeth. So I'm going to do a side by side so that you can see if there's any difference. So I think they look a little bit whiter, definitely. I mean, they look white before, but let me just get the card. What do you guys think? I'll do a side by side. Maybe I can't tell until I see it on the video, but I still think I'm around a 4. And to be honest, I do think they look a little bit whiter at the bottom there. So it has sort of cleaned up that sort of yellowing sort of colouring that I got, that I kind of get towards the top of my teeth. I hate that part of my teeth. The front always look really white, but then around the bottom here is always a little bit yellow. I do think that's better. Now remember, there's 8 uses out of this, so the more you use it, the better it's going to be. So this is just after 1 use. Actually, I think it looks pretty good for the first use. So yeah, right guys, so that's everything for the video. Obviously the more times you use this, the whiter your teeth are going to be. So it's obviously good to sort of use this and put it as part of your routine to do this sort of every week. Yeah, so that's everything for the video. I can recommend it. I'll leave it all linked below. So if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you